Hello everyone, I'm Hari Prabha. Our presentation cover the topic of primary control system of aircraft. Basically, essential requirement of control system is stability and accuracy. Stability is for carry out the desired objective of the system, and accuracy is for provide the proper output for which it is designed. Uh, and then based on this, there are three types of primary control surfaces on aircraft. We know that is elevator, rudder and aileron, which are acting the main role of control surfaces in aircraft. This is the raw diagram of arrangements in aircraft, that is in elevator, rudder and aileron, such that the lateral axis, vertical axis and horizontal axis or longitudinal axis. uh, First we will see about the aileron. Control roll about the longitudinal axis. The aileron are attached to the outboard trailing edge of the each wing. It move in the opposite direction from each other. We know that aileron is placed on the trailing edge of the wing. So see here, aileron is placed on the trailing edge of the each wings. It roll is moment of roll, about the longitudinal axis. If one wing of the aileron is deflected up, and then another wing of the aileron will deflected down. This is the differential aileron, that is one aileron is deflected up and another wing of the aileron is deflected down. This is the main basic function of aileron. And we'll move on to the stabilizer. Is basically two types, that is elevator and rudder. This is placed on the tail section of the aircraft, that is that one is elevator and rudder. Okay, we will move on to the elevator first. The elevator controls the pitch about the lateral axis. The elevator is connected to the control column in the flight deck by a series of mechanical linkages. After movement of control column deflects the trailing edge of the elevator surface up. We know that elevator is placed on the uh, tail section on aircraft. Its moment is pitch. So the main moment is uh, see here, if the nose is up, then tail will down. This is the main role of the stabilizer. Then we'll move on to the rudder. Rudder is placed on the tail section of the aircraft. Its moment is yaw. The rudder control moment of the aircraft about its vertical axis. The rudder is movable surfaces. The moving left or right rudder pedal, controls the rudder. We can move left or right rudder pedal, means it will move depend on that. So see here types of the stability and motion. So stability axis, motion about the axis, longitudinal, lateral and directional. The longitudinal axis is lateral and the moment about the axis is pitch. It is about the elevator. And then lateral, it is axis is longitudinal and its motion of the axis is roll. This is about the aileron. And then stability of component is directional and the axis of component is normal and the motion of the axis is yaw and it is definitely a rudder. So